On our channel, we are on a journey to discover everything we can about the food and food culture of Hawaii. Check out our videos on huli chicken, inamona, and more. Jackfruit originated in South India and spread to the Philippines, Indonesia, and Malaysia. Today it grows all over the tropical and subtropical areas of the world. It's the national fruit of Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, and when it's unripe, it's used in curries, subjis, masalas, chips, stuff like that. It's the largest tree fruit in the world. They can weigh up to 100 pounds and are actually made up of thousands of individual flower petals. When it gets ripe, it becomes sweet and gummy, and in fact it tastes just like bubble gum. That's because jackfruit contains a chemical called isoamyl acetate that's also commonly used in chewing gums.
Aloha! Welcome back to Eat and Be Eaten, here with machete because I know how to use a machete. Okay. You always have to, little pro tip, you always have to dress up when you use a machete so that people are surprised at what you can do. So first of all, we're going to cut this jackfruit off of the tree using this machete, and okay, we're going to start doing that now. Yes, that was great. It was perfect. So we're gonna go up and butcher this up. This white latex that comes out of an unripe jackfruit is extremely sticky. I got some on my arm here, and it sticks, dirt sticks to it. So you just have to make sure that when you're processing your jackfruit, you don't get it all over your clothes. You know, you have to wear an apron, and you have to coat all the surfaces in oil so that the latex doesn't stick. Okay, so here we have our jackfruit. What we did is we put a cutting board down so that we don't wreck the table, but then we coated everything with newspaper. I think we're getting there, you guys. We are getting there. This is very exciting.
You know what it takes, boy, to cut a jackfruit? In my day, we spent all our time cutting jackfruits.
Oh! Yes! Okay. This is the inside of an unripe jackfruit. Okay, so now we have bisected again. Now, one of the cool things about jackfruit is you can actually, whoops, okay, these little seeds, when you roast them, they taste just like chestnuts. So we used to, as a kid at Christmas, we used to roast these over an open fire, and we would have jackfruit seeds roasted over an open fire. So, as you can see, that is all fibrous and thick, and that's where the latex comes from. We can just put that in the compost. In this form, in its unripe form, is really difficult to digest. And so we want to make sure that we really cook it and cook it and cook it to aid in that digestion process.